Okay, so this is an unboxing video, I guess. Oops, it's backwards. I guess it's the same thing. Anyways, again, always unscripted around here. This is from Harbor Freight. Comes with owner's manual and instructions. I'm sure that's very handy for somebody. Bubble wrapped. Get that out of the way. And then, let's see, it's got a zip up here. And there it is. Has a sort of padded bag. Let me see if I'm still in frame there. Okay, so here's the story on this. I actually owned one of these already. And let's see. I think it goes... I'll put it in and see if it powers up. It takes a 9-volt battery, not included. Oh. All right, it's working. So that's what you hear. There's an on-off button on the side that gives you a... it might be telling me the battery's a little low. The battery came out of a freezer, so it may not be the best. You got a charger here. Apparently, there's a maybe you can put replaceable or rechargeable batteries in there. I'm not sure. Check the instructions. A desensitize button. So there's a button here on the side, which will actually make it less sensitive. So if you're trying to check a very local area, you can turn down the sensitivity in case there's a nail sticking out someplace. So the reason I bought this is I want to do stuff with reclaimed woods. So I can wand this thing, and then I can figure out if there's metal, if there's staples in here, if there's any other surprises. And that looks to be good. Looks like it's just the nails on the end. So that's a good thing. It will pick up copper. So I guess if you get this close to something in a wall, it'll tell you if there's a water pipe back there, which might be handy for other applications. So I'm going to shut that off for a second and see if there's any other kind of sneaky boards to work on. Okay, so one last test. So if it's a really small piece of metal, it will pick up something like this staple. If you use the desensitize button, it actually doesn't pick it up. So if you're looking for staples, keep the don't use the desensitize button, but it will pick it up that way. So yeah, anyways, not a lot to say about it. It's a very simple tool, very easy to use. Make sure you're doing all sides, because it's not like one of the powered, big metal detectors on a stalk. It has its range, so you have to be right on top of what you're looking for. But it works, and so I have a lot of materials that do look like this old board here, and there tend to be nails and things stuck in here. And if I'm using something like a router or a Forstner bit or something fancy like a Kreg bit, I want to be able to go over it and know that I'm not going to stick something, a nice cutter, into a piece of wood and dull it or wreck it. So yep, so this is definitely, it's a money saver if you deal with a lot of stuff that looks like this, kind of beat up old timbers. I recommend it. It's actually my second one. The other one worked great. I just don't know where it is. So I need to get some work done with some reclaimed materials. And so this is son of Centec, metal detector number 2.